Hello! Today I will be teaching you how to replace a window screen. To begin, you will need scissors, a utility knife, a spline rolling tool, a screen, pliers, and a spline cord. You will also need a screwdriver, but it is not shown in the image. To start off, remove the old spline. To raise up the old spline, use the screwdriver. Use pliers to help pull out the spline. Remove all of the spline and the old screen. Next, measure the old screen on top of your new screen. Make sure to add around 2 to 3 inches more of a screen on all sides. After you have cut out your new screen, begin to roll a spline onto the screen using the rolling tool. You will use the concave roller. Once you've secured the spline on all sides, use the utility knife to cut off excess screen. Once you are done, check to see if the screen is taut, the spline is secure, and all excess screen is cut off. Now you can save a lot of money by replacing the screen yourself.